Hi, good morning, everybody. It is Catherine. It's Saturday, and it is also September 23rd, 2023. Those of us who know. And I am heading to an open house today on this beautiful, colorful Colorado day. I will be in Longview on Farview, 3297 Farview Boulevard in Longview. That's a gorgeous, gorgeous 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. It backs to like open space. It's where they took out the old railroad line. The railroad company still owns the berm, but the tracks were taken out, so you still can't have anybody built directly behind you any longer. So anyways, beautiful, gorgeous home, beautiful views of the mountains, beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. And I think I might have a couple contracts already coming in on it, but we are holding an open house today from 11 to 1. I hope to see you there. Should you show up, and should you feel so inclined, you know, I always ask for coffee. I have my coffee with me, but I can always use more. And this is the coffee cup I bring to my open house to see how big it is. It's still not enough. I want coffee. You guys have a beautiful fall day. Thank you for, well, people are on my channel. Thank you for listening. Just thank you for being you, and everybody have a blessed day. Hope to see you at the open house, and if not, please pray today and be in yourself and with our Heavenly Father on this day, the 23rd. Feel blessed.